The modern era of Indian judiciary stands as one of the finest legacies of Dr. Justice Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud, among the most distinguished jurists of our time. Today marks his 66th birthday, a moment that inspires countless young Indians who regard him as a role model, mentor, or touchbearer of constitutional values. Dr. Chandrachud's academic accomplishments reflect both depth and global vision. After completing his graduation from the University of Delhi and pursuing law, he went for his LLM and doctorate degree from Harvard Law School. This unique blend of global legal scholarship and profound understanding of India's constitutional ethos laid the foundation for his progressive judicial philosophy. Dr. Chandrachud began his legal career at the Bombay High Court, where his sharp legal reasoning, unwavering command over constitutional principles soon earned him immense respect. He was appointed a judge of the Bombay High Court in 2000, elevated as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court in 2013, and later became a judge of the Supreme Court of India in 2016. In 2022, he became the 50th Chief Justice of India. Dr. Chandrachud has authored some of the most consequential judgments in India's constitutional history, notably on right to privacy, personal liberty, equality, and digital justice. Known for his deep compassion and humanism, Dr. Chandrachud leads by example in his personal life as well. By adopting two daughters, he has set a moving precedent of love and social responsibility. He is the proud father of two sons and two daughters, and his wife Kalpana Das remains his steadfast partner in life. Since his departure from the Supreme Court in November 2024, Dr. Chandrachud's engagements have only multiplied. Leading academic institutions across India and abroad regularly invite him for lectures, and numerous national and international bodies continue to honor his contributions. Today, he stands as an eminent global jurist representing India's intellectual and moral leadership on the world stage. Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud's remarkable journey embodies a jurist who has breathed new life into the interpretation of law, blending humanistic, constitutional, and global values. His legacy strengthens the very foundation of justice upon which Indian democracy stands. On this special day, Dynamite News extends its warm greetings and best wishes to the 50th Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, wishing him continued health, happiness, and enduring contributions to the nation.